Hello, my friends. Today we're going to make a car wash station for all of our favorite toys. It's super easy to make, and it's really, really fun. And best of all, at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your very own toy car wash. We're going to start off by making the car wash station. This is going to be the place where our cars come to get washed. And first we need a roof. So grab some popsicle sticks and make sure you have a good strong popsicle stick like this. You don't want it to be too old and flimsy, or else the whole thing will fall apart. We're going to take that and put it right in the middle here. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. That looks so good. Now we need to make the walls. So I have some cardboard here from a cereal box, and I'm just cut out 2 squares. Make sure they're even. You can even use a ruler to help you. Mark it even. Cut it even. This part's really easy. Now, let's take our walls and let's put them up. 1, 2. It's like building a house. 1, 2. There we go, beautiful. And now, we need to put a floor on our car wash station. I've got some craft foam here. Let's cut out a little piece. Make sure it's even on all sides. We're just going to put it right down here. Easy peasy. And if you want to get fancy, you can even cut out a little piece for the roof right here. That looks so cute. And now it's time for our favorite part, decorating. This is what makes it really look like a car wash station. You can use markers, you can use paint, you can use stickers. Whatever you want to make your car wash station really unique and special. Have fun with it. While you're decorating, I'm going to show you how to make a toy car wash. All you need is 2 cups. This one is be the water cup, and this one is be the soap cup. And a straw, any kind of straw works. Just make sure it fits into both cups. Perfect. Once your car wash station is completely dry, it's time to play. Put your favorite toy cars inside. Make sure they're nice and sudsy. Get them nice and wet, just like a real car wash. Take your pick. Go ahead, wash those cars. You can even make a little ramp. Your cars are going to look so sparkly and clean. This has been so much fun, but now it's time for something even more exciting. I can't believe it, my friend. You made a car wash station and a toy car wash. You are officially a car wash tycoon. Give yourself a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps me make more fun videos for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.